Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to trade Binance options for beginners. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Binance app on your phone. Once it's up and running, tap on the More section. This area contains all of Binance's additional features, and it's where you'll begin your options trading journey. After entering the More section, go to Trade section and tap on Options. Binance options are powerful trading tools that offer flexibility, but it's essential to grasp the basics before diving into more complex strategies. Next, once you've accessed the options menu, choose which cryptocurrency option you'd like to trade. Binance mainly offers options for popular assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Depending on your market research and interests, select either BTC or ETH. Now it's time to choose your contract type. You'll have two choices: a call option, which gives you the right to buy, or a put option, which gives you the right to sell the cryptocurrency at a specific strike price before the contract expires. Once your options are selected, the final step is to decide how much you want to trade. Enter the amount you're comfortable investing. When everything looks correct, tap Buy to place your order, and make sure to confirm it after reviewing the details. And that's it. So that is how you can trade Binance options for beginners. So that's all for this video. Thanks.